Alright everybody, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be continuing our series with making sounds and changing the pitch of a tone using the 555 IC. So continuing the series, in this video we are going to be using a phototransistor. In the last video we used a potentiometer and got some cool effects with that. And now we're going to be using light to change our sound. If you missed a couple videos, just go back a couple where I made this 555 black box. And right now we've just been experimenting with changing our R1. Here's a fixed value. And then again, in the last video, we used a potentiometer for R1 between pins 4 and 7 of the 555, and now we removed that in between pins 4 and 7. I replaced it with a phototransistor. Here are the values of R2, R3, and C1, same as all of these from previous videos. As you can see here is our IC, and pin 4 is this wire right here. I just have it jumpered over. And this wire right here is jumpered from pin 7. And then we got this guy, our 2-pin phototransistor. I got the tab portion going towards the pin 7. So I'm just going to install that back in here. Pretty self-explanatory if you've been following the series. I got 7 on this row, pin 4 on this row. And yeah, let's go ahead and see what this does. So when I turn my circuit on here, I'm going to be getting a low frequency, a low tone, because my bedroom light is entering the phototransistor. It's not complete darkness, so I'm going to turn it on. See, it's getting my bedroom light, so just covering it. I'm trying to cover it as much as I can. Just get very low pulses, but just in its atmosphere, that's what it's getting from the environment. I'll turn that off until we need it. I just got this flashlight I have laying around here. I got full brightness, mid, low, and then a strobe effect. So let's start off with the low setting. And what happens here, I'm going to turn it on. And then once I expose it to just a little bit of light, I'm getting closer. Distance. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of getting a different noise than I was earlier. There we go. So very high tone or frequency when I get right up on it. That's like annoying. But what sounds cool to me is when I'm just at a distance, just kind of pass over it. Okay, now I'm going to turn up the brightness. We're going to skip mid and just go full bright. So I'm pretty far away and you can already tell it's like, I mean, that thing is screaming. Now I'm just waving it all over the place. Now I'm distancing. Now I'm like pretty far away. I'm just gonna shake it and get closer. And last but not least, watch your eyes here. I'm gonna go to strobe. This one gets pretty crazy, but it's the coolest of them all. See, I don't, like, the main bright part is like right here. I'm like just barely getting light on it. And I go over it more. That increases the frequency or tone. And when I lay it more flat. Pretty cool, right? Alright, I challenge you to create this circuit and come up with something of your own. Maybe you can make a song out of this, figure it out. And again, this is really cool. I mean, all we're changing is just one resistor value. I know it's a transistor, but we're just replacing one component, and it's crazy all the different things that we can do with just one component change. So cool. Here's the circuit again. And then here's the values of the other two resistors. And you can reference back to the older video if you need it. Or pause the video for the black box. And cool. Thanks for checking out the video. And I will see you guys in the next one.